Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis. Hope you are all doing well. Let's see the new market opportunities for today. Check about the Euro USD pair, major currency pair. Today morning, the Trump made a higher tax tariff towards major countries where they are importing the goods as well as exporting the goods. So Trump made a tax war. So due to that, market has shaken up very well, and you can see major changes, trend reversals, everything is happening in the markets now. So let's see the market opportunities for major pairs, gold and Bitcoin by today. Before that, first we should have to look about what else is there with a new economic news. So today is a Thursday, and tomorrow we have a non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. Looks like US dollar might have chances to get more weaker at the moment, but in it depends on what other countries going to do for Trump new taxation. So let's see. So Euro USD, as you see, Euro USD has went up from the higher low, from the low level. So just we expected more buy, so it went up. So USD reached this resistance level. So we are saying you to keep buying Euro USD because it is in a strong uptrend. So keep buying. And right now, don't take much major decision because Euro USD hits the major resistance level. It is near to the resistance, major resistance. So don't take a buy trade. But if you want to buy, you can buy after it breaks this high. So if you ask me whether breakout is possible over here or not, I could say that most probably Euro USD will make some correction and then it will break the top. However, in the monthly chart, if you look at Euro USD in this channel, looks like Euro USD have chances to reach this lower high. It means like still Euro USD can move up another 4,000 to 5,000 points. So it takes time, like around 1.1600 or 1.1500. So Euro USD have chances to reach these levels. So let's wait for the confirmation of breakout at the resistance. And pound USD. Pound USD also breaks the high and it also going to reach the resistance level. I think pound USD also good to buy. It's good to buy pound USD. Support, resistance. A good movement happened over here in pound. So pound USD have a lot of chances to move up. Mm-hmm. Pound USD is going to move up. So pound USD have a chance to move on. And Australian USD. Australian US dollar reaches the high, but due to the tariff, I think Australian dollar might have chances to make a correction over here. But if it breaks the high, you can move up more. So let's wait and see. So AUD USD is also good for buying, I believe. Australian US dollar is also good for buying. So Australia and New Zealand are mostly the commodity pair, so you should have to be careful dealing with the commodity pair because gold is falling down continuously. So due to that, these commodity pairs might also have more chances to fall down. However, in other side, due to the taxation of Trump, New Zealand USD might have chances to New Zealand USD and Australian USD. These pairs have chances to move up because of weakening of the US dollar over other country currency pairs. So let's wait and see how bad is this going to affect the market. In other terms, market doesn't have whether good or bad, it doesn't matter because market keeps moving either up or down. So we should have to keep buying or selling depend on the confirmation of breakout or reversal along with the fundamental economic news. So let's wait and see. Uh, I think the Australian US dollar will break the high and it can move up. New Zealand USD reaches the resistance. However, it also has more chances to move up. So New Zealand USD, USD USDN is going to reach the higher low. I think yesterday we saw USD JPY have chances to fall. It just fell down 4,000 points. A good, nice fall. Nice fall, you can see. After breakout, retest, this pair fell down very good. Just fell down very well. And if we look out any other market opportunities, we should have two. I think you can move down to the support. It's more possible because US economy is the strongest economy in the world, so it will affect all the market. Doesn't matter whether what kind of things going to happen in other countries, but if USA is going to make some rule, then it will affect all the markets. So looks like Australian USD have chances to go up continuously. Well, it looks like Australian USD try to move up. So it have chances to uh, move up towards the resistance. I think over this place it is most probably possible. US Swiss franc, as you can see, a very good, nice fall happened over here in US Swiss franc. USD Canadian, wow, USD Canadian just breaks the low. It starts to fall. USD Canadian, if you ask me, USD Canadian, still you can fall around at 1000 points and then you can make a correction. So USD Canadian, not good to sell is possible, but if it retests, you can sell. That would be more better. Selling towards the retest area is more better comparing to buy. I think USD Canadian have a lot of chances to fall over another 1000 to 1500 points. This is most probably possible. USD yen will also follow the same. It will also start to. Also Canadian just made a fake breakout. Looks like it will move up again. Found out. Found out had a very big roller coaster rally, as you can see here. It's just moving up, down, up, down. Found Canadian. Pound Canadian was still consolidating. It's not good to buy or buy or sell. Not good because it is just consolidating. But if we are in something like this, no, there is not much confirmation. So pound Canadian, Euro Canadian, just try to move up. You can see, as you can see, it is more volatile. So during the high volatile movement, you should have to be very, very careful It is better if you don't trade, or if you don't take any trade, it would be more better. Instead of taking a lot of trades, it's better if you don't take much more trade. So Euro Canadian looks like that, and so Euro Canadian is just consolidating just a high, the resistance. Euro pound looks like this also have a lot of chances to move up continuously. Euro pound is good to buy. So I believe Euro pound have a lot of chances to move up. And Euro New Zealand, well, it made a very good fake breakout. Sorry, yeah, good reversal. You see great reversal over here, but still we don't have much more confirmation that either it can move down or up. It also have chances to move up because it tried to break the high and then it failed. But still, the next candle is just consolidating. If it try to come down continuously, then we can expect a good fall. Otherwise, if the market try to retest this high again, then we can expect a breakout. So you need to be very careful trading around these levels. Oh, pound New Zealand. See, this went up and down. Nice fall happened over in pound New Zealand. Pound out, same. Pound out also same, doing the same. Just hit the high. Nice to see that it hits the high 2.0838. Great to see that. Like Canadian JPY also have more chances to fall over this place because it just break the high. I think if you ask me whether it can retest or not, I will say no way. I think it won't retest. It's difficult to retest over here. Maybe at least retest is possible for another 1000 point. Yeah, it's possible. Australian USD. So go along with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. So let's see the next set of market opportunities. The next set of opportunities we should have to wait and see. So let's see Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc have chances to fall or just consolidating. Let's ignore it for now. And Australian Swiss franc. Wow, nice. Yesterday we saw that it was around lower high. It's a good technical move. And Swiss franc will make a free fall over here and there. Make a very good free fall. I think USD Canadian will reach this very soon. After reaching this, it will consolidate. Oh, it fell down around 3,500 points already. Soon we can expect some correction on USD Canadian. So just be patient and take the trade with care. Australia, New Zealand, just falling down and just hit the low level. USDN seems to be very good at selling the pound. Australian JPY, if you ask me this, it's a tough one to consider because Australian JPY have chances to fall over this place. Yeah, it have chances to fall down as well as wow. As you can see, Canadian JPY didn't make much more big movement. It's just consolidating, but let's see how far it can move on. Canadian JPY may have chance to consolidate here and there, but I'm not sure about Canadian JPY. Because Canadian dollar is also so strong. Euro JPY, it is just simply consolidating. Australia, New Zealand, not sure. I think that Canadian JPY might have chances to consolidate, or else it can retest the low level again. It is most probably possible. Canadian JPY, it's possible. If I look at this one, Australian USD seems to be at the resistance level, so need to wait and see how good this pairs will behave over the long run. Should have to wait and see. Pound New Zealand, Australia Canadian. So if you look at all those pairs, what we can consider here is like all these pairs have better chances to move on, but at the same time, these pairs define the market movement. Gold, you can see it just pulled back so fast. Nice pullback on gold. Just in 1 hour, it just pulled back 3,000 points. Nice to see that. Silver, I think silver will get back into the track very soon. Is it good to buy silver? Yeah, I could say yes. It's good to buy silver, I think. Buying silver is also seems to be very good. But if it breaks the if it breaks a low, we can expect a big fall. So silver is like that.